Just down here now, and yeah, can't really see because it's dark, but I've got my lights on. So yeah, it does actually make a lot of sense. So yeah. Oh, must be a train moving at very fast. Should probably wait for a signal now, but yeah. Anyways, now we must keep on going. So let's just go now. Okay, just stand here. Northampton at, I don't know what yard call, but maybe I might be near River, maybe something. Hood Junction, I don't know. But yeah, maybe. But that was the last train there, but I think I might get a couple 10 seconds. It's a very busy yard down here. It is. I should probably leave it now. Right. Yep. I can't even remember my boss. Make me want to walk in the night, in the middle of the night. Literally in the middle of the night. Oh, yep, there was another train. I think this is not my work. But yeah, this might work soon. Don't mind it down. Can you hurry up with the construction site, please? Could be a train coming in a minute now. Yeah, I had to be on this road because there's not much to see. This stopper truck is in the way. Oh, don't you dare start on that. Don't you dare start on that. Oh, shut up. I promise I'll move out of the way, guys. Promise I'll move out of the way. But trust me, the train will not come in that time. So if I just go past, shall we? Well, I could just a little bit squeeze cut do this bit, but yeah. But you have to be careful of that truck though, because it is parked right there. So yeah. I can't because that truck is literally easy how wood. How am I supposed to fit? Like literally, look at it. Look at it. Well, I could just easily move here, right? How bad can it possibly be? No trains coming. You guys are literally not that much. Construction's almost. Go, long! Stop! Okay. You know what? I'm out. I'm gonna finish one. You get money. Oh gosh. Well, how am I supposed to move? Oh yeah, how am I supposed to move? Like literally. Can you move? Yeah, one sec. Okay. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Wait a second. No.